Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the MapleStory error code 30003. The error reads, "This product cannot be installed." As per our research, the error comes when players try to install MapleStory using the Nexon launcher. Many users have reported that even after reinstalling everything, they still get the same error when clicking the download button. According to our findings, this error is likely related to the launcher permissions or network connectivity issues. First, try running the Nexon launcher as an administrator. After that, try downloading the game again. If the error still comes, then power cycle your device along with your network hardware. Once restarted, try again and check if the error still appears. If you still have the error, then check if the Nexon launcher or game needs any updates. If yes, update them and try again. If the error still comes, try connecting your system to a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. Then check if the error still comes. If you still have the error, then you can also try using Steam instead of the Nexon launcher. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.